Introducing the all-new Mazda CX-50 2027, a bold statement in motion where precision meets presence. This is the future of Mazda, redefined. From the moment you approach the Mazda CX-50 2027, its commanding stance captures attention. The front grille stretches wide, asserting a confident presence, while the headlights cut sharply, creating a distinctive signature at any angle. The front bumper integrates seamlessly, enhancing the vehicle's bold character without compromise. Moving along the sides, the body flows with strong, purposeful lines, accentuating both width and stability. Subtle contours and carefully sculpted surfaces reflect light evenly, emphasizing the vehicle's precise form. The roofline tapers gently towards the rear, balancing aerodynamics with spaciousness inside. At the back, the taillights extend across the width, linking the design elements cohesively. The rear bumper mirrors the front's robust feel, completing a visual symmetry that conveys both strength and refinement. Every detail, from the side mirrors to the subtle curves around the wheel arches, contributes to a presence that is unmistakably Mazda. The Mazda CX-50 2027 combines form and function seamlessly, delivering an exterior that commands attention while projecting a sense of capability and elegance on every journey. Step inside the Mazda CX-50 2027, and you are welcomed into a space designed for comfort, clarity, and everyday versatility. The cabin feels open and well-balanced, offering a refined environment for both the driver and passengers. The dashboard is clean and intuitive, with the digital display seamlessly integrated into the overall layout. Controls are positioned naturally, allowing the driver to stay focused while enjoying a connected driving experience. Soft surfaces and carefully crafted materials create a sense of quality throughout the interior. Seating is generous and supportive, providing comfort for long journeys and daily family use. Rear passengers benefit from ample legroom and a relaxed seating position, making every trip more enjoyable. Large windows and balanced lighting enhance the feeling of space and visibility inside the cabin. Storage areas are thoughtfully arranged, ensuring practicality without sacrificing elegance. From the center console to door compartments, every element serves a purpose with precision. The interior of the Mazda CX-50 2027 delivers a harmonious blend of technology, comfort, and functionality, creating a welcoming space that adapts effortlessly to modern family life. The Mazda CX-50 2027 delivers confident performance built for everyday driving and long-distance journeys. Its responsive powertrain provides smooth acceleration, while refined suspension tuning ensures stability and comfort across varying road conditions. Steering remains precise and well-balanced, giving the driver a sense of control and assurance at every turn. Combined with advanced driving systems, the CX-50 2027 offers a driving experience that feels both capable and composed. Mazda CX-50 2027 represents the next chapter of intelligent performance and refined mobility, a vehicle designed to move forward with purpose and to redefine what driving can be.